Hey there, so the team over at VeeHoo sent over this dog bed with Canopy for me to assemble and test out for you guys. I've had VeeHoo products in the past, and one thing I really like is that their instructions are very easy to follow and the bed goes together in no time. It's gonna come with everything you need, minimal pieces. You got your bed front part, you got the frame, you got feet. This one has a canopy. Let's put it together and see how it does. So the assembly itself is super easy. You put the poles together and slide them through the pockets of the bed, add on the feet, tie down the Velcro, flip it over, and then assemble the canopy part, which is totally removable if you choose after it's installed. Guys, start to finish, the entire bed took about 10 minutes to put together. Really good instructions, and if you need a visual, there is a QR code on the instructions that will take you to a video for the full assembly. This comes in 4 sizes, medium and large. It also has an extra large and extra large. Those 2 sizes actually have an extra support on the bottom for supporting the bed. I hope this helps you decide on if this is a good dog bed for you.